making a squishy. So before we start making the squishies, I just want to show you some squishies we already made. So we have Edgar Egg Cup. We have Dennis Fat,
which I made.
Well, it's not Dennis Fat, it's Grace.
No, not
wait,
Grace.
What is it?
No, Dennis Fat.
It is Dennis Fat, okay. I was kind of confused on that, thank you. We have Kooky Cookie. We have Bubbles. Brittany Brownie. Ring a Rosie. Frosty Fridge. We have Delish Donut. And last but not least, April Apricot. Oh, she's got a little piece there, okay. So these are all of our homemade Shopkins squishies anyway. We have a few more, but different category. And here's some real squishies we have. So we have this ice cream cone squishy. We have this donut squishy. We have this basketball squishy. And we have the super slow rising tennis ball squishy. That's extremely slow rising, and that's what we're going for today. So today we are going to be making Googy. So we have to start off with a piece of foam, which you could get this, it is a sponge, so you could get this at a dollar store or at Home Depot. And it's very cheap, so you get a whole sponge for it, and I cut out a little piece to save the hassle. And then you just have to cut it down to how you want it. So I'm gonna do that in fast mode so that you guys don't have to watch me do that. Just cut it to the shape you. Right, so I finished the shape. And instead of doing the whole sped up thing, I just went straight to it because it would have been way too long of a sped up thing too, because this took a pretty long time. So let's start off with painting. So what you'll need is, what you'll need is 3 puffy paint. Well, you should be using 4, but I don't have white puffy paint at the moment, so I'm just going to use some normal acrylic white paint. And for the mouth, you'll need just some plain pink acrylic paint. And you'll also need, here we go, and you'll need a paintbrush, a Lang Nickel Royal. It doesn't really matter royal, but it has to be a really thin, I don't know if you can see, a thin tip, so that you could use it for the eyes, the eyelashes, the mouth, and the nose. And you'll also need this puffy paint. You'll need white puffy paint for basically the whole body.
You said white.
I mean yellow for the whole body. Thank you, Anna Maria. You'll need the orange for the yolk, and you'll need the black for the eyes.
And the white.
And the white, which is with the other. So let's get started on using yellow puffy paint.
This is our first time using puffy paint, so.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Now I'm gonna get I'm gonna go get a paintbrush. So just any paintbrush. There we go. Oops.
Let me hold it.
That's alright. So just spread the puffy paint all over the sponge. Oh, it's kind of turning orange because we use this for orange, so let's use a different paintbrush. Use a fresh one. Hold on, I got it.
We used a lot of paintbrushes, so it's really hard to get a new one. So because we paint a lot.
Okay, I've got a fresh one.
Where do I put this one?
Yeah, put it right there. All right, let's put it like right there. Oh, and by the way, this puffy paint will make it very squishy and slow rising. So that's why I recommend using puffy paint. Because since we haven't been using puffy paint, ours hasn't been coming out very slow rising. It's just been coming out like a sponge. And that's not what you want.
Not like this.
Yeah, you really want it to be like that.
Or you can put glue on it. That works too.
Yeah, also putting glue on the top of it works pretty well. So I recommend doing that too, because I don't know what makes it so squishy, but it just makes it really, really easy to work with.
Why does that always fall?
Maybe the floor we use. Well, if you guys are getting bored of this part, just fast forward because I'll be painting this. Unless maybe I'll just fast forward. So once we come back, it will be all done. Painted the... Right, so our yellow layer is finished. And it's not dry yet. It's still drying. But I figured it'd be pretty easy to put on the yolk right now. So this is actually the perfect color because it's like a neonish color. So, I'm just gonna hold it down with my nail. And then,
That's already dripping a little bit too.
and then one pretty long drip down there. And just kind of spread this out a little bit.
That looks pretty accurate.
Yeah, it looks really good actually. Okay, bravo. Just wipe it off. Put on the cap.
Really good.
And there we go. So we've got that done. Got our yolk done. And I think I'll be daring. I am going to paint the face.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Paint little circles first, so it's not that hard.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, okay. There's a little hole in the eye.
Okay. Maybe they need to be a little bit bigger. Stop it with your roll. And
Eyelashes.
done with the pupils for that. Now time to move on to the eyelashes. So I'm just putting a little bit of a puffy paint on our tip.
Brush.
One eyelash and two eyelashes down here. Now we're just gonna take a little bit off there. One eyelash here, one eyelash here, and one right down there. Just gonna fix this one. There we go. So I've got two right there. we're gonna go back in with our yellow paint. We're gonna put a tiny little dot.
Oh.
Okay, just smooth it out then.
Why do Shopkins even have noses?
Can I see it?
Yeah. They're the tiniest
There
thing.
you go.
And they
I did
blend
the
in.
little nose. Just gonna smooth this out there. There we go. Now it blends in with the rest. And that one's gonna stay. Alright. Perfect. And I'll just have a little mouth now. Because why not? I'll add in the pupils and stuff when everything else is dry. Now isn't that cute? That's adorable. Okay, I like that. And now, when we come back, I'm going to put on, everything will be dry, and I'm going to put on the white parts in the eyes, and I'm going to put on the hands and the feet. Right, well, we did end up doing the rest of the assets because we've remembered that it will take really long. But this is the final product, and I think it came out really, really well. So it's really squishy, very slow rising, as you see, which I really, really like. And this is what it looks like compared to Googy, which I think is a pretty good resemblance. So I'm good with it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me make some more squishies, just comment down below and tell me which Shopkin or whatever you want, or like any type of toy, or even whatever you want. Just let me know, and I can make any squishy you want. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.